Hi, let us solve example 2 on Nyquist plots. So here Nyquist plot we need to draw. Here open loop system has given and it is a unity feedback system, means h of s is equal to 1. Now this g of s you convert s by j omega, then you will get g of j omega equal to 2 plus j omega by j omega into j omega. Can I write like this? I need this one in magnitude and angle form. So here magnitude is 4 plus omega square is the magnitude, and angle of tan inverse omega by 2 divided by this magnitude is omega square and angle of tan inverse omega by 0, and this is magnitude is omega, sorry, this is omega, and tan inverse omega by 0. Clear? So g of j omega equal to 4 plus omega square tan inverse omega by 2, and this is omega square, and this will be 90 degrees and this will be 90 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180 degrees, right? Now if you draw Nyquist contour for this, so we have at origin 2 poles we have. Very carefully, here we have a 2 poles, and at s equal to minus 2 we have a 0. Now we need to bypass this pole by detour, right? So I am taking clockwise and detour. I bypass that one. I came back. So this is a real part and this is imaginary part, right? This entire Nyquist contour, I will have some points here. Here I will keep, this is A point above the detour, and this is B, and this is completely infinity, right? C and D. Okay. So now here downside I will draw Nyquist plot. So after mapping, now I am taking omega values from A to B. I am drawing Nyquist plots. So now omega equal to 0, if you substitute in g of j omega, it is approximately 0 only, right? 0.00001 only. So I am substituting 0 only directly. So what will you get? You substitute g of 0. This is 4 and this is how much? 4. This is 0, angle of 0, and this is 0, 180 degrees, right? So you are getting 4 by 0 is infinity, and 0 minus 180 is minus 180 degrees. So here this A point, here at infinity, here infinity, okay, here infinity you are starting and minus 180, right? So minus 180, you need to take minus 180 degrees. So A is starting from here. Okay. Now let us see B point. B is at omega equal to infinity, right? So this is point A and point B I am drawing. Omega equal to infinity, g of infinity I am substituting. So this will be infinity. Okay. Tan infinity means it will be 90 degrees, and this will be infinity, infinity, 180 degrees, right? Infinity square, right? So 1 infinity I am getting answer. So 1 by infinity means it will be 0. 90 degrees minus 180 degrees. So 0, 90 minus 180 means minus 90 degrees. So it is reaching to somewhere here. So 0, you are reaching to 0 origin. Okay. So B point you are reaching with minus 90 degrees on, right? Here you are reaching. And here you keep origin is a box. Okay. Inside origin also we have some plot. Okay. Here. Now in between, if you want any point here, omega equal to, suppose 5 I will take, then solve by using calculator. So here I am solving by using calculator. 5, if you substitute here, two plus 5 I divided by 5 I square. Can I write like this? So I am getting 0.215 an angle of minus 11180. At 5 you are getting, so if you draw like this you will reach to here. Okay, A to B. A to B is mirror image of D to C. Okay, so here it will be like this. Okay, so then it is a D, so this is a D and this is a C. This 2 is over. Now this is going, angle is like omega equal to 0 to omega equal to infinity. Here omega equal to minus infinity to omega equal to 0 we are reaching. Okay. Now let us see how B to C. Okay. I am drawing for B to C. B to C is semicircle and has infinity radius. Okay. Now if you are here, if you look at these 3 like 2 poles and zeros, you will feel these all are one single point, right? So what I am doing is g of j omega, this is like magnitude m1 and angle of theta 1, this is m2 angle of theta 2 and m3 angle of theta 3. Okay, so this from 0, what is the magnitude of this vector? Infinity. And how much angle it is making? Clockwise direction, means minus 180 degrees. And by now one more pole here, how much angle it is making? What is the magnitude of vector? Is infinity, and angle is minus 180 degrees. Okay, so you have to see this like, okay, you need to come here. And n3, one more pole here you have. Okay, it is also infinity and angle is minus 180 degrees. Okay, 1 infinity get cancelled out, 0. Okay, something by infinity is 0 and 180 cancel, so plus 180 degrees, right? If it goes up. So here see, whenever you are going B to C, here B to C at 0 only, you need to make 180 degrees. So here 180 degrees I made. Plus 180 means anti-clockwise direction. So you touch B to C, right? It is completely in origin only. Fine. Now we left with D to A, right? D to A. So D to A, this 0 vector will make no change. So G of J omega, here M1 is magnitude is 2 and angle is only single point only, right? 0 degrees. It will not affect anything. And M2 is 0 vector. Okay. And angle is how much it is making? Anti-clockwise direction, right? It is making. So 180 degrees and 0, 180 degrees. So now 2 by 0 is infinity and this is 180, 180, 360 if come up minus 360 degrees, right? So minus 360 degrees. See D to A, if you want to come D to A, you need to make at infinity radius and minus 360 degrees means clockwise direction. So you are coming clockwise direction minus 360 degrees. Got this one? Now our aim is to measure at -1 how many rotations we have. So here I will draw one test line. See, if you come here, this line is going anti-clockwise direction and this one is coming clockwise direction. So one anti-clockwise, one clockwise, net rotation is 0, n equal to 0. Okay, so we have z equal to n plus p, right? Here n is 0 plus p. Any poles are there inside of the contour? No, right? That is 0. That is z equal to 0. Z equal to 0 means, z means what? Number of right sided closed loop poles. That is equal to 0. Means there is no right side of the closed loop poles, means closed loop system is stable. So you may ask, if I take detour to left side of the poles, then how it will be? Okay, we said problem will come correct only. So A to B is same for 2, right? A to B is same. And B to C is here left or right, same plot only, right? And C to D is same. Only D to A will only vary, right? So let us draw D to A, how it will be. We already see G of S equal to here. We have M1 an angle of theta 1, M2 angle of theta 2, M3 an angle of theta 3. So here this will be how much angle is making? Magnitude is 2 and angle is 0 degrees. Now this pole is making clockwise direction. So D0 an angle clockwise direction means you will get minus 180 degrees, right? And 0 minus 180 degrees. Okay, I am drawing for D to A only. Okay, so 2 by 0 means infinity, 0 degrees, and this minus 180 minus 180 minus 360 if go up plus 360 degrees. So infinity an angle of 360 degrees. Okay, D to A you need to take 360 degrees plus 360 means positive angle means anti-clockwise direction, right? Yes or no? So here we have a direction like this. Here D to A, we need to move anti-clockwise direction. So D to A at infinity radius, because we got infinite radius, right? And you need to reach here A. You're starting here, you're reaching here. Okay. Now test number of rotations at -1. Why we are measuring at -1? Because we are plotting Nyquist plot for open loop transfer function. Okay, we are not drawing for Nyquist transfer function. So now I am taking one test line. This is a test line. So this test line, one rotation is touched. This is clockwise or anti-clockwise. So this is anti-clockwise rotation. And one more line is touching. Here also anti-clockwise rotation. Then n equal to how much? N will be having 2 anti-clockwise rotation. Then n equal to -2. Okay, if it is clockwise rotation, +2. Here we have a anti-clockwise rotation, right? So n equal to -2. Then total number of open loop poles in the contour is, we have a 2, right? 2. Then z equal to n plus p, right? Here n equal to -2. This is +2 equal to 0. See, z means total number of right-sided closed loop poles equal to 0. That means system closed loop system is stable. There also we got stable only. Here also we got stable only. So it will not affect if you take detour to the right or left. But in exam, you take any one. In generally, we will take right detour only. We will take in many of the textbooks. Thank you.